Okay, this is the modified version of the chip. I've rewired it so that I can add this here resistor. This is a 47K resistor. This is it right in here, where it's covered by the black shrink wrap. So I've got it soldered up at this end. I also removed the nut and bolt joint down here, which is familiarized with this yellow tape. So it's now just a soldered joint. So I've got the wire behind it soldered to this wire, then I added in the resistor, looped it around the wire, soldered it, and then soldered this one back in up here. So this would be more like a production, if you will, version of it. So it's ready for the new O-rings and testing. I tried repairing the O-ring, which you can see it was cut in two places. Trouble is, when I glued it back together with super glue, it sticks okay, but it's lumpy, so it's not going to work. So my next attempt, I'm going to try and use this former gasket stuff. Horrible smelling foul stuff, but I'm going to see if I can stick it in the corners like this all the way around. There's not much of a corner there, but hopefully it'll just stop the gases coming out. There's not a lot of pressure inside the crankcase, but there is the pumping effect of the pistons going up and down that has to resist. So I'm going to give that a go and take it out for a run, see if this 14 volt output works. Right, just got it fired up. Looks like it's beginning to charge. Let it run a couple of minutes here and see what it gets up to. This one has the 47K resistor soldered into the circuit, so it should reach somewhere about 14.2. Right, we're about 5 minutes in to a warm up, and it's just going up over the 14. We've got 14.2 there. I had to crank it a bit long this morning, so it took it a while for it to come back up on charge. So I'll just sit here and watch this, see how high it goes. It should be stopping about now. Alright, so at idle, it seems to be settling around 14.4 or something like that. I rev it up, I'm going to rev it to 3000 RPM right now. Let's see what it does. Okay, that's 3000. It's almost 14.5, but it does quickly at 5000. So it seems to be fairly stable. So it's dropping a tiny little bit at idle, but it seems to be sitting around 14.4, which is the maximum voltage for this particular lithium-ion battery. So not the perfect result, but good for now. I'm just back from a 5-mile trip to the gym. So this is before I turn the ignition back on. Fire it up. Slowly gaining the voltage back. Just the start sequence takes a bit of the surface current out. Pause a little, but it's getting there pretty quick. It seems to be warmed back up, and that's a better voltage than before. Wonder why it's doing that. Rev it up a little. 3000. That's 14.2, which is what I wanted it to be. Fascinating. Feel fairly confident now that it's actually putting out a voltage the battery can handle. So with that, I think we're going to end testing on this alternator. I'll get the other one done at a later date and see if that works. That's good for now.